Yo, hello guys. Today I will show you top 5 templates. So let's go. Number 1. Aesthetic 1. This template has 23 channels, 11 categories and 70 roles. Template link on description. Join my Discord in description. Number 2. Aesthetic 2. This template has 33 channel, 9 categories and 17 roles. Number 3. Aesthetic 3. This template has 25 channels, 8 categories and 21 roles. Number 4. Aesthetic 4. This template has 28 channel, 4 categories and 8 roles. Number 5. Aesthetic 5. This template has 20 for channel, 5 categories and 30 for roles. Okay guys, I think only that for my videos. Thanks for watching.